Salam. Today, we will be solving exercise 4, question 4.10, class 11 statistics, according to PTB syllabus. Let's get started. Here, the question is, for a group of 50 boys, the mean score and the standard deviation of scores on a test are 59.5 and 8.38, respectively. For a group of 40 girls, the mean and standard deviation are 54.0 and 8.23, respectively, on the same test. Find the mean and standard deviation for the combined group of 90 children. So let's have a look at the first statement carefully and obtain the data. The total number of boys, say N1, is 50, the mean score, by 1 bar is 59.5. And its standard deviation, S1 is 8.38. The second statement is about the group of girls, N2 is 40, the mean score, by 2 bars is 54 and the standard deviation S2 is 8.23. Now our final statement states that, find the mean and standard deviation for the combined group of 90 children. If you have watched the previous video, you already know that we are first going to take the combined mean based on the observations. N1 by 1 bar plus N2 by 2 bars, over N1 plus N2. Place in the values, and we'll get the answer 57.06. Next, of course, our main purpose was to find the combined standard deviation of all the 25 values. So for that, let's tabulate the data for convenience. Next, add a column x bar minus the combined mean xc bar whole square. For that, we subtract each x bar with the combined mean, like here, 59.5 minus 57.06, whole squared, is equal to 5.95. We do the same steps for the second row and get 9.36. Now add s square with the previous column's result. By the way, s square is simply called variance. Anyways, we add the values of s square with the previous results. After that we multiply each number of observations respectively, and we get 3808.5 for the boys group and 3038.6 for girls group. Then, we summation it in the total number of observations. And here is the formula of combined standard deviation. So be quick and put the values in here, i.e. square root 6892.1. Thus, the answer is 8.75. Wanna learn more about standard deviation? Watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe.